On a bright, chilly morning in Antarctica, a young penguin named Pip waddled out of his cozy snow nest. Pip was small, fluffy, and very curious. He loved sliding on his belly, chasing snowflakes, and laughing at the way his feet slipped on the ice. "Don't go too far," Mama Penguin called as she tucked her beak into Pip's feathers. "We'll be right here," added Papa Penguin. "I won't." Pip chirped happily. Pip slid down a smooth, icy whoosh and laughed so hard he forgot everything else. At the bottom, he saw other penguins playing, so he waddled over to join them. They slid, they hopped, they flapped their wings and pretended they could fly. But after a while, Pip stopped to catch his breath. That's when he noticed something strange. The penguins around him didn't look like Mama or Papa. The snowy hills didn't look the same either. Pip turned left, then right. His happy chirp turned into a tiny, worried peep. "Oh no," Pip whispered. "I think I'm lost." Pip felt a little wobble in his tummy. The ice suddenly seemed bigger. The wind felt colder. Pip sat down and took a deep breath, just like Mama had taught him. "I'm okay," he told himself. "I just need help." A gentle seal popped his head out of the water nearby. "Hello there, little penguin," the seal said kindly. "You look puzzled." "I can't find my parents," Pip said. The seal smiled. "Follow the sound of the penguins. Families are always calling to each other." So Pip waddled on, listening carefully. Soon he met a tall, snowy albatross resting nearby. "Which way home?" Pip asked. The bird pointed with her wing. "That way, little one. And don't worry, your parents are looking for you too." He froze. "Mama," he called back. "Papa, there you are," came the happy reply. Mama and Papa Penguin rushed toward him, flapping and chirping with joy. They wrapped Pip in the biggest, warmest penguin hug. "We were so worried," Mama said softly. "I was scared," Pip admitted, snuggling closer. "But I remembered to stay calm and ask for help." Papa smiled proudly. That was very brave. As the sun dipped low, the family waddled home together. Pip felt safe, warm, and sleepy. Before closing his eyes, he whispered, "Next time, I'll make sure you can always see me." Mama kissed his head. "And we'll always be close," she said, and Pip drifted off to sleep, dreaming of snowy slides, friendly seals, and the warmest hug of all.